This video I will show you that how you can transfer USDT or any coin from Trust Wallet to OKX application. So to transfer USDT or any coin, come on the Trust Wallet application first. Here you have to select the coin which you want to transfer from here to OKX application. So currently I have USDT in Tron network. So I will select USDT Tron. Alright, so on the top you can see USDT TRC20 network. So I have 4.5 USDT in this network. So whenever you transfer USDT or any coin from your Trust Wallet, you have to pay the fee in the network in which you have the coins available. Just like currently I have USDT in TRC20 network, which is Tron network. So Tron coin is TRX. So you have to pay some fee in TRX coin, which we have already available. Suppose if you have USDT in BEP20 network, then you have to pay the fee in BNB coin because BEP20 network is Binance coin. So currently we are sending USDT from here to OKX account, press send button. So here you have to add the address in amount. So to get the address, command the OKX application. Now to receive USDT, command the assets, select deposit. Now when you select deposit, you will see three options: deposit crypto, P2P trading, and buy crypto. So here you have to select the deposit crypto. After that, you have to select the coin in which you want to deposit. Currently we want to deposit in USDT, and here you can see the multiple networks. So you have to select the same network in which USDT you have available on Trust Wallet. So we have available USDT in TRC20 network. Select USDT TRC20 and here we go. Here's your deposit address. Copy this. Network is TRC20, which is correct, and where you want to deposit, on your funding account or trading account. So I want to deposit in my trading account, so select trading, and here you can see the minimum deposit, arrival time, deposit arrival, deposit unlock. So this need only one confirmation. Copy this address and paste this address on the Trust Wallet. Come on the Trust Wallet, paste your address here, and here you have to select the amount, that how much USDT you want to transfer. So I want to transfer 3 USDT. Press next button. This is the final confirmation. The asset which we want to transfer is this USDT TRC20 network from this wallet to this address, and here you can see the network fee, which is 13.5366 TRS, equal to 1.39. So currently we have available TRX, and maximum total will be $4.39. So everything is okay here. Press the confirm button, thumb verification, and says processing. Come on the transaction details, pending. So it will take less than a minute to transfer your USDT from your Trust Wallet to OKX account. So our transaction is completed in less than a minute. Come on the OKX account to verify USDT. So we have received notification that one deposit received. Click on it. So here you can see we have received 3 USDT in our OKX exchange account. So in this way you can transfer USDT or any coin from Trust Wallet to OKX application. If you face any problem, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.